Hi, Jorge Larcon here from Action, and today I am going to show you how you can use the power of Zoomdata straight from Jupyter notebooks to easily render beautiful visualizations and also to obtain pandas data frames for the underlying data. I'm going to use a quick example. This example uses a comprehensive set of home sales data for a UK town. I'm going to read the data into a pandas data frame. And then I'm going to register a data frame as a Zoomdata source. For that, I import the ZD function from the Zoomdata Python module, and then I run the register function to register that data frame as a Zoomdata source. And it's done. That's all it takes. From there on, you can render any visualization, be that an out-of-the-box visualization or a custom visualization you developed in the Chart Studio. So for instance, here I'm running bars to show the number of transactions per street. I can also obtain the aggregate data, running the getData function, and then here you have a pandas data frame with a limit of 50, or I can change it to 500 if you need to, and run it here like this, and you have the top 500 streets per number of transactions. You can also obtain the raw data using the getRawData function. I'm going to run it right now, and you'll see that it brings a first 10,000 rows. You can change the number to more or less, if you want a different number, just specified here as a parameter. You can also specify the fields, specific fields, if you don't want to bring all of them. Okay, I'm going to show you more visualizations here, for example, the floating bubbles. I'm going to show you map markers. I'm going to configure map markers to set the latitude and longitude fields, and then I'm going to run it. And then I'm going to pan here to the UK, and then I'm going to start drilling to see the different aggregations on top of a geographical map. And I can zoom out if needed, zoom in or zoom out. Here's a tree map by postal code, scatter plot, line and bar trend, and I can use these pickers in any of these visualizations to change different parameters interactively. For example, granularity, I'm going to make it month instead of year. Finally, I'm going to show you this line train attribute values, group by county. Here you go. With this, I wanted to show you, and I've shown you how you can use the power of Zoomdata straight from Jupyter notebooks to easily render beautiful visualizations and also obtain aggregate or raw data into pandas data frames, independently of where you or what technology you're using to store this data. Now I'm going to show you an example of an even tighter integration between Zoomdata and Jupyter. I'm going to open any visualization of Zoomdata, and with this integration, you can generate a notebook for any visualization just by clicking the notebook control. A notebook is generated to render the exact same visualization you were seeing in the Zoomdata user interface, and also obtains the pandas data frame for that underlying data, aggregate, and also raw data. And this is how Action is helping Zoomdata integrate with Jupyter notebooks.